we are going to be trying out the SMC 16-inch oscillating fan for the last time. An old lady wants to buy it off me this afternoon. Geez, can I not break my keyboard? She asked if it was quiet, and I said, yeah, it is basically. The medium is probably already outperforming the 3733. It's a little jerky when it oscillates. And honestly, after I cleaned it up after buying it the last time, after I cleaned it up, I just put it away. Didn't use it. I hate that crap. I don't think the average person's going to care about that, though. 75% sure about that. After I bought this one, I never saw another one like this appear. Well, I did in this estate sale listing. I saved the photo. But yeah, I haven't found the 12-inch version of this yet. Should have just held out instead of buying this one in the meantime. And it's spinned out. It takes a long time. I was going to go to a local estate sale and pick this thing up. I was too tired. Wonder if it's still there. And there you have it. The last test of the 1990s SMC TH-16. And now it's gone. Thanks for watching.